trailer rental service in North Carolina. Got more to move than your car can handle? Our trailer rentals make your heavy hauling a breeze. At Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service, we provide reliable and convenient trailer rental service in North Carolina. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out your yard, or managing a construction project, we've got the perfect solution to handle the load. Our versatile trailers make moving heavy items simpler than ever. From DIY projects to professional needs, our trailer rental service in North Carolina is designed to meet all your hauling challenges. Planning an adventure? Our trailers are not just for work, they're also perfect for leisure activities. Whatever you need to haul, we have the solution. We're committed to making your hauling experience stress-free, affordable, and dependable. Our team is just a call away, ready to help you get started. Don't let your hauling needs slow you down. Call Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service today at 980-499-0135 and discover how our trailer rental service can make your heavy lifting lighter.